Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about something which every investor and every trader in the stock market wants to know today. You have guessed it right, it is Reliance Jio and the Facebook deal. I am Varun Agarwal and let's get started. So here are some highlights of the deal. Facebook has bought 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio platforms for rupees 43574 crores or USD 5.7 billion. This deal has made the Jio valuation at rupees 4.62 lakh crores, which is a massive value. Facebook has become the largest minority stakeholder in Reliance Jio, and this is the largest investment for minority stake by a technology company anywhere in the world. This is the largest FDI investment in technology sector in India. What will Reliance do using these funds? First purpose is to erase its existing debts, and Facebook gets a share of the fastest growing and massive Indian market from this deal. When Reliance Jio was launched in 2016, they were driven by the dream of Digital India. So this is one step towards, a big step towards that particular goal of that company. Reliance Jio Infocom is a subsidiary of Reliance Platforms Limited. Let us discuss the company structure a bit for you to get clarity. So Facebook has invested in Jio Platforms, and Jio Platforms subsidiary company is Reliance Jio Infocom Limited. And Jio Platforms is a subsidiary company of the parent company Reliance Industries. And Facebook has invested in Jio Platforms. Now let's discuss from Facebook point of view. Facebook gets the highest users in India than any other country in the world, and WhatsApp has 40 million users in India. By this deal, Facebook gets a stronghold in India, and in future it may battle against the Amazons, Walmarts, Alibabas and Googles of the world. Jio has 388 million customers, and India has 60 million small businesses which can grow with the help of technology support and business. So what is the plan from this deal? There's a venture recently started by Reliance called JioMart, which is Desh Ki Nayi Dukaan, and it sells groceries online, and WhatsApp is a strong platform by Facebook. So they are going to merge these two and give a boost to JioMart. So what is JioMart? JioMart is Desh Ki Nayi Dukaan. It is e-commerce platform started by Reliance Retail Limited and Jio. So Reliance wanted to use the strength of its Jio subscribers and the retail business, and it launched Reliance JioMart. This is to empower millions of small merchants to serve their customers better. Use of technology of Jio and retail infrastructure of Reliance retail business, this JioMart was launched. In this JioMart, the local merchants in the city will get the point of sale set up. They will get training from the company. They will get cheap working capital from the company. So basically through JioMart, Jio is supporting the small vendors around you to get more business and to serve the customers better. And from the customers' point of view, the customers get to buy stuff very easily from the neighboring shops around you. Presently, JioMart is being tested only in few areas of Mumbai and Thane. Collaborate WhatsApp and JioMart to help people connect with small businesses. So now Jio, which is a telecom company, telecom platform, and JioMart with the Reliance retail division, and on top of it they want to use the strength of WhatsApp, which has great connectivity in India. When these three combine, it will give a strong boost to JioMart. So this will ease the living of people. People will get to buy things very easily, and at the same time the small vendors will get to improve and increase their businesses. Jio to become a digital services company. Jio is not just a telecom company. Mukesh Ambani plans to make Jio into a digital services company by entering into various digital and online services, and in future he plans to list this on BSE NSE as a separate company. So this is one of the initiatives of the deal that JioMart is going to scale up, and we can expect a lot more technology driven initiatives to come in future. Jio Platforms, Reliance Retail Limited and WhatsApp have entered into a commercial partnership agreement to execute this plan. Now, what's there for us, you and me, for the shareholders? Reliance is no longer a traditional company like the other age-old companies. It is a very technology-driven company. In fact, they are focusing more on the tech-related businesses now. And Reliance, as I said, plans to make Jio a separately listed company by venturing into a lot of technology support and lot of technology related new businesses. And if you observe, although Reliance is a very big company, but internally it is having small subsidiaries, and it is like a startup within that big company. There are a lot of startup initiatives within that big company, that is Reliance. And if you observe, there is startup innovation which is there in Reliance, and also in collaborations with the other companies like Facebook. And Mukesh Ambani has the acumen to build big businesses very quickly, and of course he has a lot of infrastructure and funding. So this is a very rare and strong combination where there is a startup motive and a big infrastructure and acumen, and combining these two, this is going to become a very large company in future. And that is why we feel that this is just the beginning. So for a long term point of view, this is going to be a great investment as Reliance is getting more and more technology driven. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos. Hit the bell icon and stay updated with all my videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.